Hello, we are unboxing today the second Chongker cat. It's actually the third cat that I've gotten from this company in China, but we really like working with them and they continue sending us their really great products. So today I'm going to be opening the second iteration of this specific robotic cat. Just for ease of use, I've opened this, but I've not actually opened this box yet. So let's go ahead and take this out. We also always love their packaging. It's so cute. Oh, there we go. Very cute. Love how these are packaged. They're also pretty affordable as far as robotic cats go. They're actually less expensive than the Joy for All pets. They're about $80. The Joy for All pets usually run about $120, $130 US dollars. Love, again, the amount of care that goes into the packaging. Very cute. Let's go ahead and open up Percy. That's the name of the cat. So one of the things, I actually use this on my real cat. It's a nice comb. So it comes with like a little name tag and everything. We're going to look at that in a second. We've got, of course, information. And the actual cat with a charging cable. Very cute. Love the softness. So comparing them to something like Memorable Pets, we really like Memorable Pets. We recommend them a lot to our communities. They are not robotic, but they're about this size and softness. The Joy for All pets are also a great option. However, I will say that a lot of times they do feel harder. They feel more robotic. This is really soft, and I really appreciate that. And I think actually this one's softer than the last iteration. So here's what they said was different. The position of the charging port has changed. The original position was at the hind legs and moved to the abdomen, so it's going to be easier to get to. Oh, I feel it. Okay. And they optimized the purring sound. So we'll plug this guy in, get him charged up, and then show you what he sounds like. So we have charged Percy for like, I don't know, a minute. The cat knows its name. Hi, Percy. Cool. So the charging port is just right here in the abdomen. In the old Percy, it was actually in the foot. Okay, so Percy definitely knows Percy's name. Didn't go that time. Okay, so this is super, we charged, honestly, this cat for, I don't know, a minute and it's charged. So that's awesome. Super easy to find, super easy to charge. Gives you the instruction booklet. There is obviously a voice mode where the cat understands you. So you can say, meow, meow. Percy, meow, meow. Rise and shine. So there's different meows. You can press to turn the voice on, turn the voice off, touch to and feel the heartbeat. So let's see. Very real. Lots of different meows. Oh, wow. I feel the heartbeat of the cat. Wow. That's pretty cool. Really very realistic. Very cute. Well priced. Super soft. So as you're petting the cat, he's responding. Very cute. So as we know, when we're introducing the cat, we always want to make sure we say to the person living with dementia, what do you think about this? If they think it's a real cat, it's a real cat. If they know it's not a real cat, it's not a real cat, and it's just a cute thing to have. It doesn't matter, really, if they believe it's real or not. As long as they're getting enjoyment out of it, that's what's important. So that was well timed. So we really are enjoying the Percy interactive companions pets. Again, this is their second iteration of this cat. You can find it on our Amazon shop, and we honestly really like this product and definitely recommend it for people living with dementia.